Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, where are we off to this morning?
Epcot. And then Ohana.
Me and Will got off super early this morning and got Guardians.
I used to have this case on the back of my phone. There's an Ohana means family. Family means no one gets left behind or forgotten.
On our first rope drop, how do you feel?
Not ready.
Not ready for rope drop. Pia doesn't do mornings. None of my family do actually.
Estimated callback 110.
110, yeah. That's fine. Hello. No, don't move towards it. Forgot about the squirrels here.
And we found 2 squirrels.
2 squirrels this morning. Remember the one last time that we decided took a liking to our suitcases?
No.
No?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And your bag?
Yeah.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
Try again?
I think everybody has the same idea.
There's only a few rides here, isn't there? So
We've been early hours at Epcot. We got here at 8:24 or something, and they'd already let people in. We joined the queue at 8:30 for Ratatouille on Ohana.
you can tell it's morning. All on their phone.
Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way.
Come on, we need to go see Chef Remy.
Mais oui, that's it.
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. Lilo. What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way.
I quite like it. It's fun.
Better this time than when we last came.
We smelled a lot of things. You could smell loads of stuff. It sprayed you a lot, and it was actually unexpected. Some things.
Yeah. When the cork didn't open, that didn't have. I've never had that before.
No. So we really didn't know when
gonna get sprayed. Oh, I enjoyed that. You?
Oh, it was really good. And it was only 30. Well, considering we got delayed a little bit at the end, it was still a 30-minute queue. Rope drop, which isn't bad for Ratatouille now when you look at the size of the queue out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was really good. It was nice that everything was working. So you got sprayed, you got the smells, you got the heat.
Because the smells didn't work last time, so we all came out like it didn't smell much last time, but it's obviously all working. Beautiful morning.
Huh?
With my beautiful boy.
Stop.
Swimming's got a 15-minute wait. The one that Daddy didn't go on last time. We'll get a coffee and a donut.
Meet Alice, she's there or not?
Do you want to meet Alice?
Alice in Wonderland?
No? Will's busy getting us coffee. I need a coffee.
And a cookie.
Because they didn't have donuts. What are you doing?
I've got sun cream in my hair.
Cookie? Out of 5?
3.
Cookie out of 5?
2.
Frozen ago, we only got to do this at deluxe hours last time.
Small one, but frozen.
Yeah, it literally is. It's a small one.
Welcome to Elsa's Ice Palace.
I really enjoyed Frozen. Well,
Yeah, it was alright.
you two are a definite no. You both hate Frozen. Yeah, I wanted to go on it.
As far as like, you know, sitting in boat things after doing like Navi River Journey and It's a Small World and I can't remember what the other one we've been on and done.
That one.
That one, the Grounded Yesterday. I think that's probably the best one. It's more digital and up to date.
What are you waiting for, Thea?
It says surf's up.
And Will's go your
Yeah.
t-shirt.
Just here for the food.
Look at Ryan's.
Look at the menu. Yeah.
You clicked it.
Oh, look.
We got
What did you get? Did you get your signatures on there?
Pluto, Stitch, Lilo, Mickey Mouse.
It's cool out there, isn't it? So you got fresh fruit. You've already drank your Pongo. And I'm going to try this.
Celebration.
Already tucking in. Ian, what have you got? Your stick waffle? Eggs. Ryan's already got through 2 Mickey waffles and they've had to give him a massive thing of Pongo juice because he just keeps downing the little one. No. Will's starting on the cocktail there.
So when you eat pineapples, you just have to close your eyes.
Yeah. All they wanted, more potatoes and sausage. How's the cocktail?
Strong. Very strong. But nice.
How's the food? Why didn't you save that and drink mine?
Because Mummy has a cocktail with sunrise.
Then you can take that with you. Enjoy the food?
Yeah, it's nice. Just need a bit of a breather.
Yeah. Go, Ryan, do you want a picture or are you alright? Thank you.
Thank you.
How was it meeting Lilo? Good. What did she do?
Hug me. And when she looked at my shirt, she looked here. She went like that.
Oh. Well then, Daddy, want to get up?
No, literally.
Ryan, Ryan, get in. Sit and smile. Thank you. Is he coming up next? Hello. How was it?
Have you seen the village?
Yeah, we've paid the bill. We've just got to wait for Mickey now. Ryan, I don't think you need this, do you?
I need more. I'm hungry on birthday.
No more. I'm cutting you off. I'm cutting you off. How much Pongo juice do you drank, Ryan?
1 cup, 2, 3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups. Get 6 cups.
Enough. He's right going to be sick on Guardians.
I'm gonna throw up on you though.
And then he has this today.
No.
You're just gonna hear. You're just gonna hear. Guys, we're getting back to the.
Go on then. Ryan. What did
I
you think?
thought that was better than the other one that we did, the character
Topolino.
dine at Topolino, yeah.
Yeah? It was better food-wise for the kids.
Yeah, better for the kids. The fact they came out with a big tray of wedges and sausages, and actually because we were sat there waiting, the kids probably won't eat anything now for ages.
No.
Ryan feels like he's going to be sick.
Don't be sick, please. Was that worth it?
Yeah.
Was that worth it?
Yeah.
You feeling a bit sick?
Yeah.
Quite chilled, Thea? You chilled? You're having a cocktail crash.
No, I need more tequila lala.
Oh, that's what you want?
Yeah, I miss tequila lala.
I don't know. For a late afternoon, I know that.
Some of the most remarkable structures in the universe, creating an impressive urban skyline
that promote a symbiotic relationship between our natural world and its inhabitants.
There's also beauty in the design. Notice the complex geometric patterns in contrasting colors, blending the glass of the cockpit seamlessly into the metal of the rest of the ship.
It was really a group effort to execute my plan. Thank you, Gamora.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar.
It was the same song. One way or another.
It's crazy.
One way or another, we're gonna get the same song.
That was great.
I like the spinning part of it.
I like when you went
Still
backwards.
my favourite ride, love it. Huh?
Went
I like
one
how you
way.
went backwards and then you went up.
We went one way or another.
I thought it was brilliant.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it. Yeah. 46 minutes from the point of us entering and queuing to get to the end, even though we were on virtual queue. But it was really good. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was probably one of the best roller coasters I've been on since I've been here.
Yeah, it's my favourite still.
Oh, that took the breath out of me.
What have you got?
The tequila sundae.
Oh, is it good?
It's very nice.
Very strong.
Yes.
I just had a bit. Come on then, you're hot.
Yeah.
Let's walk back to the Skyliner. Come on then. Yeah. How can you be hungry?
I'm
You
hungry.
you're not hungry.
You guys get that.
I've not got that. I'm not drinking that. It's got tequila in.
Tequila, tequila.
Right, let's go to get the Skyliner and go back to the room. You can buy loads of snacks from Walmart. Is it a bit strong?
It's salty. It's hot.
Oh, someone's got brain freeze.
I've got salty lips, brain freeze, and tequila in the back of my throat.
Oh, nice. Sounds delightful. Oh, I think we're done. It's so hot now.
Yeah.
We're going to head back and probably go shopping. If you don't want to go out tonight, we don't have to. We could push the fireworks back. See how we feel.
Yeah.
Wow, it's pretty stormy coming in. See, the pool wouldn't even open, I don't reckon. Looks like it's raining over there.
How does it rain in one place, not in the other?
It's so big. We had to rush in from the rain, you could probably hear it, but we're now in Walmart. So this is the merch. guy in the Uber said it's best to get it from here. It's good quality. Some good t-shirts. $15. Oh, I love these.
I was going to say, I thought
Oh,
that
oh, I
and
love this. Put it back. You alright, Dad?
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't need that many cheese balls.
Sure.
Got it.
And we've got some blue Gatorade. And then we have some Little Bites chocolate chip muffins.
Cool.
Then we've got
Double
some double stuffed Oreos.
What are they?
Sweet chili.
Oh,
Sweet
nice.
chili taco.
Okay.
Right, so we've got.
Will I be the only one who eats barbecue though?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
Chocolate delays, these.
Go on then, let's keep going, let's keep going. Okay, right, is that enough crisps, do you think?
Yeah.
Oreo.
It sounds like it's stopped a little bit.
It does.
Hey, look at me.
Oh, Ryan, you want one of these, won't you? The caramel ones. Right, are we all done?
Yeah.
Got a lot of shopping.
We got pizza.
Oh, look at this. Room pizza. The weather's not great, so we are eating in. Pizza was worth it, wouldn't you?
Yes, yeah.
Went down well. We had that and chips. Just chilled in the room all night while the kids went to the little pool by the resort. Yeah, so we didn't do much this evening. Everyone's just a bit tired, so we just thought we'd take it easy. Tomorrow we're probably going to go to Typhoon Lagoon, so I'm going to sign out for now and see you next week. Bye.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that